Hello and good morning, class 5 students. Myself, Premises, is back with your today's English lesson. Today, I will be discussing the page number 15 and 16 of the first chapter, A Bottle of Dew. Here, I will solve all the question answers and also explain why the answer is correct and wrong. You can choose and write your own answer also according to your own way. So let us move to page number 15. This is page number 15. Read the story and circle the best answer. Read the story and circle the best answer. This question. First question is Ramanatha did not walk on his father's land because Ramanatha did not walk on his father's land because I have underlined the answer here. He was trying to find another way of becoming rich. We know that he was in search of some magic potion. So, another way is the magic potion. That is why question number B is correct. Answer number B, option number B is correct. Now, question number 2. Why Ramanatha feel lucky when he met the Saint Mahipati? Here, three options is there. Mahipati had traveled to Himalayas. Yes, this is true according to the text. But this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Mahipati knew of a way to turn things into gold. Because Ramanatha came to know that Mahipati knew the way of turning other things into gold because he knew the magic potion. So A is the not right answer. The correct answer would be C. What did Madhumati do to help Ramanatha? Three options is there. She gave him money. This is not correct. Question number B, she sold their crops each year. This is correct answer because when Ramanatha was working hard in the field, she was selling all the bananas in the market. So question number B, option number B is correct. Choose the best message for the story. Can you remember? I have told you in the previous lesson that the moral of the story is hard work is the secret of all the success. That is why option number B is right answer. You need to make an effort to succeed. This is right answer. Now, portion number B, read these lines from the story and answer the questions. The lines are quoted here. You have to answer according to this. Question number 1. In my travels in Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion, but it is a difficult process. Where is the line? If you move to the text here, yes, in my travels in Himalayas, this line, I heard how you could make such a potion, but this is a difficult process. Whose line is this? Here, Mahipati is telling. To whom? He is telling to Ramanatha. Here, Ramanatha. That is why here, who said these lines and who he was talking to? So the answer would be, I have prepared a separate sheet for your answer here. This is the correct answer. The sage Mahipati said these lines and he was talking to Ramanatha. Now, move to the second question. Yes, A is done. What was the process? What was the process? If we move to the pages, we will find that here insisted Ramanatha to tell him the process, then the saint tell him the process. You have to plant a banana tree and water it regularly. by your own hand. In the winter, morning dew will settle on the leaves, and you have to collect the dews and store in a bottle. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. I will chant a secret mantra which will turn it into a magic potion, and a drop of this will transform any object into gold. But we cannot write no the entire lines. We have to write in short. In short, I have prepared a sample answer. You can follow it. This, what was the process? Ramanatha had to collect 5 liters of dews from banana leaves planted and tended by him. In these dews, the saint would chant a mantra, and then this water can turn anything into gold. Just memorize it. Now let us move to the next question. Do you think it was a difficult process? Question number C, part 1. Give reasons for your answer. Do you think it was a difficult process? Let us see the answer. No, it was actually not a difficult process. Only Ramanatha had to do a hard work and be perseverant. Perseverant means be committed to your work. And the sage wanted to teach him this lesson. This is the answer. Next question. Okay, question number 2. Look at this line. This is cheating, he told the sage. I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. Where is the line? Let us see. If we go to the last page, here, this is cheating, he told the sage. I have wasted 6 years of my precious life. The question is, who said these lines? Definitely Ramanatha said these lines. What is the speaker talking about? Definitely what we have seen there. Who is the speaker of the lines? Ramanatha said this word to the sage. He said this because the sage's mantra chanted dews could not turn the copper vessel into gold. When the sage chanted mantra in the dews, what happened? The dews could not change the copper vessel into gold. At that time, Ramanatha said to the sage that this is cheating. How is this cheating? Where is the question? How was this cheating according to the speaker? Because he wasted 6 precious of his lives in collecting dues without getting any fruit of his hard work. No, he wasted 6 years of life doing hard work and collected the dues, but finally he did not get the fruit of his hard work. That is why he is angry and saying that he wasted 6 precious of his life. Now, question number C. Do you think the speaker really wasted 6 precious of his life? Give reason for your answer. We know that at last Ramanatha earned huge gold coins. Yo. Do you think speaker really wasted 6 precious of his life? Give reason. No, I think 6 precious of his life is not wasted. These years, no, not only earned him huge gold coins, but also taught him a very valuable lesson of life, that hard work is the secret of every success. There is no magic potion in the world. This lesson he learned. So, first point is he earned huge gold coins by his hard work, and he also learned lesson that there is no magic potion in the world, hard work is everything. We will move to the next sections of this question answer section. The next page, page number 16, comprehension 2. Answer these questions. How would you describe Ramanatha before he started working on the field? How was Ramanatha before he walked on the field? Because in the very first page we find that here Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him large tract of land when he died. But Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. This was because he had some funny idea that there is this some magic potion which can turn everything into gold, and he wasted all his time and day and money in search of it only. I have written in very brief lines here. How would you describe Ramanatha before he started working on the field? Ramanatha was a rich landowner's son. First line, he inherited a large tract of land. Inherited means he got from his father after he died. From his father, but he did not cultivate because he had a stupid idea that there exists some magic potion that can make him rich without doing any work. He spent all his time and money in search of the magic potion. So this was Ramanatha's life before he started working on the fields. Let us see the next question. Okay, question number 2. How did he change during the 6 years when he worked on the banana plantation? So this was the condition of Ramanatha before he started working, and after he started working, what was his condition? This is question number 2. After that, his life changed totally. Here, how did he change during the 6 years of his life in banana plantation? During the 6 years of no, Ramanatha worked very hard in planting more and more banana trees, which earned him huge gold coins and made him a rich person. Now he come to realize that there is no magic potion that can make him rich without doing any hard work. Only hard work is the secret of success. In this way, he changed. Now we are going to the last question. This is the last question. There is some quotation, famous quotation, which has some underlying reality in it. You may have different opinions, but I have given my opinion here, an ideal opinion. Here, do you agree or disagree with the following sayings? Give reasons. You will have to give reason, not only say yes, I agree, and yes, I don't agree. Behind no everything, if you say yes, you have to give reason. If you say no, you have to give reason. Okay, the artist is nothing without the gift, but the gift is nothing without hard work. That means if an artist is not gifted, not talented, given by God, the artist has no value. But that gift that is given by God will also not work if he is not walking, if he is not hardworking. So hard work and gift both is required. That is the meaning of the text. I have written an answer. You can see here. The artist is nothing without the gift, but the gift is nothing without the hard work. Okay, let us see the answer. No doubt the artists are gifted personalities, but all the talent need hard work. Yeah, artists are the gifted personalities, but that gift means talent also need hard work and hard practice. Only talent will not do anything. You have to be talented and hardworking also. Suppose you have talent, but you are not hardworking, you are a lazy person. What will happen? No, you will not be able to develop and present that talent to the world. Ultimately, that talent will die. Nobody will notice. So, in spite of having talent and gift, you have to be hardworking and you need to practice to sharpen it and be able to more creative and productive. Only talent cannot do it. Okay. To sharpen that talent, you have to do hard work and some study at least. Okay. Luck favors those who don't depend on it. Luck favors those who don't depend on luck. Oh, this is odd looking, but this is reality. If we depend only on work and don't only on luck and don't work, what will happen? The success will not is not sure whether it will happen or not. But what do the successful people? Definitely, successful people never depend on their luck. Yeah, yes, I agree. Successful person don't depend on luck only. They do a lot of hard work and studies extensively so that no chance is left for failure. Successful people always do hard work, no, and ensures their success. If you do hard works, no, success will definitely come to you and luck favor you. If you don't do hard work, your good luck will become bad luck, because they do not know if they do hard work, success will automatically come to them, because they know that if they do hard work, success will automatically come to them. Okay, this was the question answer, and we are heading to the last part of today. um, Here, replace the underlined words here, vocabulary A, underlined words and phrases with suitable words and phrases from the box. No, here underlined words are some phrases. We can replace it with the same meaning. These words and these underlined words have equal meaning. We have to match with them and write. I have written beside or above it. You can write in your own book. Diamond in the queen's crown reflect the light brightly. Reflect the light brightly, you have to notice. Reflect the light brightly means glint. Here, the glint is the correct answer. Samad surprised to see a new bicycle at the door in the morning. Surprised means astonished. So astonished is the correct answer. Years of hard work has changed him. Change means transform. Transform is the correct answer. Indian cricket team was upset after they lost T20 World Cup in 2016. Upset means very sad. So very sad means in dismay, in frustration. Question number 5. We should be kind to poor people who often have to live on the streets. Poor peoples, we have learned in the text that pauper means poor. This pauper. So we have to be kind to the paupers. Pauper is the correct answer. Question number 6. After everyone else failed to explain the meaning of the king's dream, he went to a very wise man. We have seen in the text that a wise man means a sage. We have seen the sage means wise man. So very wise man means sage. Question number 7, that is last question. The doctors took care of the injured man. Took care means tended. We have learnt in the textbooks that Ramanatha took care his land. Took care means tended. That is why tend is the correct answer. Took care and tend is the similar meaning. Okay, students, that's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss the grammars and the remaining part of the question answers. Till then, goodbye.